Good morning, students. I hope you must have completed your work which we have done yesterday. So chapter 6 is going on and 2 exercises we have already completed. So today we are going to start exercise 6.3. First question, find the number from each of the following expanded form. I think already you have done expanded form in previous classes, class 4th, 5th, 3rd, 4th, with junior classes. You have familiar, you all are familiar with this word expanded form. Expanded means this we have to expand. So expanded form already we have. We have to convert into short form. We have to find such a number whose expanded form is this given. So how we solve it? We have to start from right side. This is 6 multiply 10 raised to power 0. 10 raised to power 0 means 1. So 6 multiply 1. It will be 6. After this, power should be 1. 10 raised to power 1. Power is missing. It means 1. 10, 0, 0. Then this is the sign of positive. After this 0, 1, then 2. 10 raised to power 2 means 100 and 500s are 500. It means that this is the place of 100. 5. This is the place of 100. That's why we are using 5 plus 100. Then 10 raised to power 3. It means this is the place of 1000 because 1000 is having 3 zeros. So 1000 multiply 6, 6000. So how will we read it? 6506. Because 6, this is at 1's place, this is 10's place, we have multiplied by 10's. Because 6 we have multiplied by 1, this is 1's place, and this is multiplied by 10, this is 10's place. This is multiplied by 100, this is 100 place, and this number is multiplied by 1000, that's why this is 1000 place. So the number we have 6506. Very simple. So second part of the same, 9 multiply 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 multiply 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 multiply 10 raised to power 2 plus 5 multiply 10 plus 7. So now same as previous question, we will start from right side. In this question there is no multiple of 10 multiply 7 multiply anything, but 7 if multiply by, if we use this 0, simple way, 10 sevens are 0 1 and 7 ones are 1. So already we can use directly 7, no need to multiply it. Then 10 having power 1, 5 tens are 50, so write down 5, means this is the place of ones, this is tens. After this, place of 100, 4 into 100, 400, this is the place of 100. Then 1000, 10 raised to power 3 means 1000, 1000 into 6, 6000, this is the place of 1000. Now 10,000, having 10 having power 4, it means 10,000. 9 multiply 10,000, it will be 90,000. This is the place of 10,000. So this is the answer. Very simple parts are there. So next 2 parts you can do yourself. Very simple. Already I think you have done. Just bar is there. In previous classes you have done in this way. 500 plus 40 plus 3 in this way. But here very easy. This 100 is converted into 10 raised to power. So next 2 parts you will do yourself. Second question of the same exercise. write in expanded form. Expanded form. Now we have the number is given and we have to convert into expanded form. So first part, 34,562. This number we have. So first of all, find out ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So this is 10,000. How many 10,000 are there in this number? 3 10,000. It means 3 multiply 10,000. Then plus. This is the place of 1,000. It means how many thousands are there? 4 thousands. 4 multiply 1,000. Then plus. This is the place of 100. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. 5 multiply 100. Then next, tens place. Tens place is 6. How many tens are there? 6. So 6 multiply 10. Then plus 2 ones. This is 1. 10 having power 0, it means 1. Now we can use it 10 raised to power. So 3 multiply. How many zeros are there? 4. So 10 raised to power 4. Then plus 4 multiply 1,000, 10 raised to power 3 means 10 cube. Plus 5 multiply 10 raised to power 2. Plus 6 multiply 10 raised to power 1. No need to mention 1. Then plus 2. You can leave only 2. Either you can use 10 raised to power 0. So this is the expanded form of this number. So is it clear? Second part of the same question. Second part. Five, 9, 6, 5. So first of all, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh. So we count from lakhs now. How many lakhs are there? 7 lakhs. 7 multiply 1 lakh. 1 lakh is having 5 zeros. So 7 into 1 lakh. Then plus. This is the place of 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there? 8 10,000s. Now 8 multiply 10,000. Next place is 1,000. How many thousands are there? Plus 5 multiply then plus this is the place of 100. 9 multiply 100 plus this is the place of tens. 6 multiply 10. Then plus 5 multiply 10 raised to power 0. You can use only 5. This is the ones place. Next, 7 convert into exponential form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. While doing in exponential form, we'll use 10 raised to power 7. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power 5. Plus 8 multiply 4 zeros are there. 10 raised to power 4. Plus 5 multiply thousands place. 10 raised to power 3 plus 9 multiply 10 raised to power 2, 2 zeros are there, plus 6 multiply 10 raised to power 1, no need to mention, and 5 multiply 10 raised to power 0. Is it clear? So next 2 parts are left. Next 2 parts you will do yourself. And next question we'll do in our next lecture. If your notebooks are not still completed, so complete your notebooks first, revise all these exercises so that I can take the test. Thank you and have a nice day.